You probably think your fridge works by just blowing cold air inside, but that's not quite true. In reality, your fridge doesn't add cold, it actually removes heat. That's right, it pulls heat out of your food to keep it cool. And the secret hero behind this process? A special fluid called refrigerant.
Here's how it works. First, the refrigerant starts as a cold liquid. As it flows through the fridge, it absorbs heat from your food and turns into a gas. Then, it travels to the compressor, where it gets squeezed and turned into a hot, high-pressure gas. Next, it flows through coils at the back of the fridge and releases that heat into the air. After that, the refrigerant cools down, turns back into a liquid, and the cycle starts all over again. This loop runs 24/7, quietly keeping your food cold by removing heat. So your fridge isn't just chilling. It's secretly a hard-working heat removal machine. Now you know the truth. Like, subscribe, and share this with someone who still thinks fridges just blow in cold air. Or better yet, go give your fridge a respectful nod.